Hello, good day, and welcome to our weather broadcast for today, Monday, October 20th. I am your presenter, Annie Correct Joseph. Now let's begin with the surface analysis, and currently we are being affected by a westward moving tropical wave, and the axis of this wave moved off into the Caribbean Sea sometime yesterday. Out in the Atlantic, there are two tropical waves moving towards the west. This first wave here is expected to move across the Lesser Antilles sometime during the course of this week. Now let's take a look at the satellite imagery, and we can see this area of cloudiness associated with this tropical wave which moved off yesterday. Now we continue to see some lingering moisture associated with this wave as it continues to maintain cloudy skies across the region today. Now we need to continue to monitor the track of this wave as it is expected to develop into a system during the course of the week, and based on the track of the system, it should or is expected to maintain some unstable weather conditions over the Lesser Antilles, especially over the weekend. Radar imagery indicated some scattered showers across Dominica throughout the course of the morning. Now conditions for tonight: a reduction in moisture levels can be expected. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with a few showers. Some slight haze may linger across the area. Temperatures to dip down to about 23 to 24 degrees Celsius along the coast and about 21 in the interior. Some breezy conditions to continue. Winds generally out of the east peaking to near 35 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Let's take a look at conditions for tomorrow, Tuesday. Some reduction in moisture levels can be expected. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some showers. A slight chance for some isolated thunderstorms. As we move into Wednesday and Thursday, this tropical wave is expected to move across the area, increasing the chance for cloudiness, showers, and possible thunderstorm activity. Temperatures to peak near 33 degrees Celsius, especially along the western coast for the next 3 days. Nights to cool to near 24 degrees Celsius. Breezy conditions to maintain throughout the course of the week. Winds generally out of the east on Tuesday with speeds up to near 35 kilometers per hour, and a slight decrease to about 30 kilometers on Wednesday. However, as we move into Thursday, we get a slight shift to east-southeasterly and an increase again in wind speeds to near 35 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Now let's take a look at marine conditions. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we have some improvements, especially in the open water, with swells decreasing to near 8 feet on the east coast and down to about 5 on the west. On Wednesday, we see a further reduction down to about 7 feet on the east coast, and it should maintain through Thursday. However, we continue to see the maintenance of some northerly swells in the area, especially in the open waters. As a result, mariners, you're advised to monitor the situation and exercise some caution. The sun will rise tomorrow at 5:58 a.m. and set at 5:41 p.m. Our high tides tomorrow will be at 4:26 a.m. and 3:54 p.m., while the low tides will be at 9:56 a.m. and 10:44 p.m. For up-to-date information, you can follow our WhatsApp channel by scanning this QR code, or you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Dominica Met, or our website at weather.gov.dn. Thank you for viewing, and join us tomorrow for your next weather broadcast. Good day.